Alright guys, welcome back to another live trading session. Now, unlike other trading sessions, this is a recap as it happens. I'm in a trade currently. This is an example of a short squeeze fueled by some news that also attracted some buying pressure. So, as I said before in different videos, how I find these stocks is simple, right? If you have a scanner on your broker, you look at the scanner, make sure you understand the ticker symbols, familiarize yourself with them, and if you see one climbing up to the top that you haven't seen before, like Gevo, which is the stock that I'm currently invested in or trading, that means this stock has buying pressure. And obviously you won't have the chart open in front of you, so you look at that stock, you load it up in the chart, and you will have something like this, right? You will see a big spike or a trend line being held like this, right? It's uptrending. You can see how it's uptrending upwards. Now that just shows you there's buying pressure. Now sure, it broke the trend multiple, or tried to break the trend multiple times, but obviously it failed. And yes, there is short interest, 13% short interest on the stock. I'm currently 12,000 shares in, and yeah, the team is familiar with this. They've been alerted. So you can see here, short percentage of float, almost 14%. 40% of this stock is held by insiders and institutions. So there's only 40% of stable money. The rest, 60%, is available to trade by retail traders like you and I, obviously. So this stock can be manipulated easily, and that's why it's so easily it moves in value quickly with no hesitation. All it needs is some buying pressure. And obviously this is poised for a short squeeze, because if we just look at the stock in more details here and we click 1 month, you can see that there is peaks where it could have squeezed $6.50, could have squeezed $6.70, could have squeezed $6. And if we go to 6 months, then we have $7.30. That's July, which is about just 2 months ago. So yes, we could touch $8 plus today. We could touch $9. So this is a short squeeze happening as we speak. These stocks you see often nowadays. But there's nothing else I can do today, guys, except hold this stock and wait for the next 30 minutes or so, or an hour, whenever the squeeze happens. Usually it happens midday. It is 2 hours into stock market open now, about an hour and a half. So there's plenty of room for this to basically skyrocket. So I'll let this play for you. You can watch it, and I'll see you soon once the trade goes in our favor. Alright guys, so $5,000 on this trade. It's been an hour since I've entered this trade, so it has been dragged and I'm tired, and this is where you get to make a decision either to walk away or stay in a trade, and I just made the decision to walk away and bank my $5,000. Now this trade was a short squeeze, and when you do your homework, this ugly chart here is a beautiful chart if you do your homework. So how I found that stock was simple. It climbed upwards and made its way top 3, and that showed me that there was a lot of volume, and obviously I launched it and seen the chart doing its thing. Now I'm also going to add another video where I actually explained this before to you guys in more details, but essentially that's how a short squeeze works. Okay, that's me done, guys. See you soon.